So we're chopping hay here, and I noticed that we were leaking some haylage out of the bottom of the bagger, and luckily we're at the end of the bag. You can see the red warning stripe there, so we maybe get another load in here, but we're gonna have to call her quits because if you look underneath here, we got a problem. We got a big old gash right in the bottom of the rotor. Dropping haylage out. I'm afraid it's going to keep getting worse if we run it, so we're gonna have to call our quits. So we cleaned everything up. There's the big gash, and then we have a piece of metal made. We're gonna slide it in there. It's rounded. So we slid it in. The angle's not 100% perfect, so we're gonna use a jack and push down on it so that the rotor is not touching on the new sheet of metal. So we have Wayne Christensen here welding this bagger for us. He's gonna do a couple spot welds across the top here to hold it in, and then weld the bottom solid with his stick welder that he uses.
Nope, got it.
So we got her put back together. Wayne welded it all up. Nice weld across the back here. Welded along the sides and then in the front as well. Just tacked together up there. Stitch welded. And we used a jack to kind of push everything down so it was really good and tight. And then we welded it. We worked from this side on the right side all the way over to the left side and welded her all together. So the proof will be in the pudding. We'll put some silage through it this afternoon and hopefully she works. So
What do you mean, hopefully?
she'll work. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below. And if you want to see more videos like this come up in your feed, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to find out when our next video comes out every week, hit that notification bell below, and that'll send you a notification when our next video comes out, which we try to send them out every week. Thanks a lot for learning more about our farm, and we sure appreciate it.